Okay, write later. Write or later about about garbage garbage disposal to mayor of Pokhara Metropolitan. Pokhara Pokhara Metropolitan City. Metropolitan City. Okay. Write later. Metropolitan City. Okay, write later. Okay, then you have to write Tudikil Bogar Pokhara Tudikil Pokhara 15th July 2023. The mayor Metropolitan City Pokhara Metropolitan Politan City Metropolitan City Pokhara Metropolitan City Pokhara Kanski. You have to write like this. Subject a request to the garbage disposal. A request to garbage disposal. Request to garbage disposal. Subject respected sir. Respected sir. Respected sir. I would like to draw your attention. I would like to draw your attention. I would like to draw your attention on serious problem of garbage management. On serious problem on problem of garbage management in our locality. That is my. I'd like to draw your attention on serious problem of garbage management in our locality. In our locality, the heap of heap of garbage garbage thrown everywhere, thrown everywhere along the roadside, beside the road, beside the road, or along the roadside, beside the road. Okay. The garbage has not been collected, has not been collected more than a week, more than a week. The bad meat smell, the bad smell, the bad smell, the bad smell bad smell bad smell comes out through the garbage. So it is very difficult, it is very difficult to walk around. It is very difficult to walk around. Walk around. The garbage also block the drainage so that block the drainage so that the drainage has become the breeding place of mosquito and other insect. Mosquitoes and other insect. Mosquito and other insect. The garbage collector has not have not collectors have not visited not visited our locality since have not visited in our locality have not visited collector have not visited in our locality the garbage collector have not visited in our locality since next week since since a week before the breathing is very difficult due to breathing is very difficult due to stink smell and sticky smell. The probability of ear disease is very high. The probability of ear disease is very high. Disease is very high. Very high due to air pollution of garbage. The filthy smell, the filthy smell comes out from the accumulation filthy smell comes out from the accumulation of garbage is a serious problem in our locality. Is a serious problem. Is a serious problem in our locality. Serious problem in our locality. Okay, then we request to you take immediate action. We request to you I request you or immediate to you request to you or immediate action to you or immediate action immediate immediate action to clear the garbage and clear the garbage and make clear our locality and make our area clean and make our area clean. Okay, make our area clean. We are kindly kindly request to you the we are kindly request to you the to we are kindly request to you about the permanent garbage management permanent garbage management. Our instant action shall be your instant action shall be garbage about the permanent action shall be highly appreciated. Your instant action shall be highly appreciated. Appreciate. Thanking for you. Thanking you. Thanking you. Mr. Rajan Gautam. Signature. Okay. From Rajan Gautam, Crudical 6 Pokhara to Mayor Pokhara Metropolitan, Pokhara Metropolitan City, Metropolitan City, Kaski. You have to put the ticket here. Okay, this is the letter, okay? Write a letter about your garbage disposal to Mayor of Pokhara Metropolitan City, Judicial Pokhara, 15 July 2023. This is the address that I am going to write a letter on the problem that the garbage problem created in Judicial Pokhara, 15 July 2023. This is the address. The Mayor Metropolitan City Pokhara, Metropolitan City Pokhara Kaski. Pokhara Kaski subject request to garbage disposal. Request subject request to garbage disposal. Respected sir, you have to write a comma here. R is capital. You see the Pokhara Metro, the mayor. The capital, mayor capital, metropolitan city capital, Pokhara capital, comma, Kaski, you have to write Judicial capital, comma, Pokhara, 15 July, comma, 2023, you have to write like this. The respected sir, I would like to draw your attention on serious problem of garbage management. I would like to draw your attention. You see, I will request you to manage, draw your attention. Means I request you to manage the garbage. That's the things. Problem of garbage management in our locality. The heap of garbage is thrown everywhere aside. Garbage is thrown everywhere aside the road. The garbage has not been collected more than a week. The garbage has not been collected, the garbage has not been collected more than a week. It takes 1 week. Up to 1 week the garbage is remaining there. This is the meaning. The garbage has not been collected more than a week. The bad smell come out through the garbage. So it is very difficult to walk around. You see, the garbage also blocked the drainage so that the drainage has become the breeding place of mosquitoes and other insects. Because the drainage blocked the drainage and the sediment the water on drainage. Due to the sedimentation of the water, the mosquito and other insects are breeding their babies in there. They're breeding the baby insect in drainage. That's why it's the problem, because dengue and other more diseases will be spread in no time. That is very serious. The dengue problem is due to the garbage and the drainage. Sedimented water. Sedimented water of drainage. Water sedimentation is the main problem of the dengue disease. Okay, the breathing is very difficult. You smell, the bad smell. The probability of ear disease is a serious problem in our locality. You see, due to the pollution of the smell, bad smell comes out, filthy smell comes out from the garbage. The environment is polluted. Due to this pollution, due to the environmental pollution, we will be suffer different type of disease. The filthy smell comes out from the accumulation of the garbage. You see, the filthy smell is a serious problem in our locality. I request to you immediate action. I request to you immediate action to clear the garbage and make our area clean. You see, I request you immediate action to clear the garbage and make our area clean. Understand? This is please do it as soon as quick as possible. Please do the action as soon as possible. I mean, you have to solve this. You have to take this action in your priority. So please take the action. Please, I would like to request to immediate action to clear the garbage and make our area clean. Clean. We are kindly request to about your permanent garbage management. We are kindly request, please, you have to make a permanent solution for this, permanent solution for garbage management, solution of garbage disposal or garbage permanent solution. Permanent garbage management means permanent solution of garbage disposal. I would like to request, please find out the permanent solution of garbage disposal. You can write like this. Your instant action shall be highly appreciated. Your instant action shall be highly appreciated. Thanking you, Mr. Rajan Gautam. Signature. You have to draw the envelope like this from Mr. Rajan Gautam to DKL 6 Pokhara and to Mayor Rajan Sapkota, Rajaram Sapkota, Pokhara Metropolitan City Kaski. It is not really, just you have to. I am given a model of later about the garbage to your mayor, Mr. In Pokhara Metropolitan City. This is the model later how to write to the mayor for the solution of disposal, permanent solution of disposal of garbage. This is the ideal and formal letter to write mayor of Pokhara Metropolitan City.